So what you're seeing here is a 698 Foray, but we dressed it up. So we have pearl carbon fiber, beautiful pattern, so a lot different from your typical carbon fiber with the checkered weave. This is more of a pearled finish, and we stuck with that theme with our inlay, which is a real mother of pearl inlay. In certain lights, that mother of pearl just pops, so definitely a nice little addition. Of course, you have a damascene steel blade. Awesome little design there. Anodized hardware. And of course, just buttery smooth action as you expect in the regular Foray, but in, of course, the gold class.